For a long time, we've been taught not to eat before bed, to stop eating at 6 o'clock, or to not eat carbs at a certain time. Now, this leads a lot of people to believe that our energy output is lower just because we're asleep, but that couldn't be further from the truth. The metabolism actually shifts into an important mode of repair whilst you're asleep. And this is where your body will physiologically repair, so repair physical tissue, and psychologically repair, so repair mental tissue at this time. Now, imagine that you've got a house that you want to build. You've got the land, you've gone and got the architectural plans, you've got the workforce there, but the delivery doesn't actually rock up. There's no bricks, there's no cement, there's no sand, there's no steel or wood. Not much will be built without material, right? Now, this is exactly what happens when you starve your body of food or nutrients in the hours leading up to bed. If you've gone all day without eating very well, and then you've gotten to the night time and you also haven't eaten well, then your body's really going to struggle to repair. The reason we add a repair dessert to your day is quite simple. A lot of people do get home and then they start eating and they start looking for something sweet for that hit of energy. If we can add this, it's going to curb the cravings, it's going to curb that hunger, that uncontrollable eating, and it's going to help you repair.